Let's look at that first area, inventory. As mentioned, the key challenge before ModelOp Center is that these large organizations have a variety of different teams that are using different AI technologies, whether open source, proprietary, cloud-based, vendor models like a ChatGPT, or even software that they purchase has AI embedded. And their challenge is just getting visibility into everywhere AI is used, and then having the appropriate auditability and tracking behind all of those systems. Let's show how ModelOp Center helps to bring this to life. Here is ModelOp Center. On the left-hand side are those three key capabilities. First, that inventory, which helps to represent every single AI system. Second, are those process automations that help to enforce the governance policies. We call those model life cycles. And finally, the reporting section. Down the center, you're immediately presented with every single AI system across different business units, as well as what is the risk tiering? Are these high risk or low risk? And on the right-hand side, a red, green, yellow of where do I have potential issues or risks from a performance perspective or ethical fairness perspective, as well as a cost, IT, data, and compliance. So you go from not understanding where AI is being used to having this very detailed visibility across the entire enterprise into what AI is being used and where there are potential risks. If we dive into that inventory specifically, again, you can see where ModelOp Center provides a comprehensive but agnostic way to represent every different type of AI system, whether that's open source like a Python or R, whether it's a good old Excel sheet, or well, it's a vendor model, embedded AI, even a SaaS model. All of this is comprehensively and consistently represented within the ModelOp inventory. If we dive into a specific use case, in this case, this is actually an LLM, that's a financial advisor AI assistant, you'll see we capture the details behind this AI use case. It's actually an ensemble. It's an LLM-based use case. It's a high-risk model. But further, from a governance perspective, you need to track who are the owners, who are the governance officers. Does it customer facing? Does it contain PII or PHI? All of this information is needed from an accountability perspective. But furthermore, you need to actually have the appropriate technical assets that are captured along with all of this information and metadata. What is the source code? What are the configuration files? What inputs are used? You need to understand where this is tracked automatically from a repository information. You need to understand the data that goes into this. As well, especially with LLMs, they're typically ensembles of models. So you need to have not only the orchestrator, which may be done in LangChain, you'll have your foundational model, even a vendor implementation like a GPT-4 can be tracked and associated with this particular use case. So again, you go back to the challenge of, well, I don't know where AI is being used, to I know everything about the AI model, the accountability structure, the ownership, all the technical assets, the traceability, everything is captured within the ModelOp inventory.